Goodbye, October, and hello, November. November will be our Nehemiah moment where we will rebuild the things that have been shattered. We will rebuild the things that need to be restored. We will rebuild those things that need to be repaired because of the fact in Nehemiah, he rebuilt the wall and he did it in 52 days. So we will take the next 52 days and rebuild what has been shattered in our lives, what has been torn down in our lives, what may have needs to be repaired, what needs to, because the Lord, he is a repairer of the breach. And you know what? He will restore what the cankerworm, the palmer worm has taken, and he will restore those things in our lives. And we know that God, he is a way maker. He is a promise keeper. He is a light in the darkness. And I don't know what has shattered in your life. I know for me, for the last couple of days, I have been dealing with this particular accident, this deep scar that I have on my eye. But you know what? It was an accident. But you know what? God, he is going to restore. He is going to be the healer of my particular scar. So I don't know what scars you have. I don't know what has been cut or broken down or destroyed in your life or what needs to be made over. But I want you to know that God, he is a way maker. He can restore those things that have been destroyed in our lives because we are more than conquerors. We are winners. And so we're going to take the next 52 days to restore, rebuild what has been torn down in our lives. And the first way that we are going to do it is we're going to write the vision and make it plain. In Habakkuk 2 and 2, it says to write the vision and make it plain so those who see it will run with it. So we're going to run with it this particular month. So from November 1st until December the 22nd, we are going to write the vision and make it plain. That's the first thing we're going to do. We're not going to do that every day. But first, we need to write down. We have to have a visual of what we want to see accomplished, what we want to see completed, what we want to see done, what we want to see finished. Because after 52 days, Nehemiah, he saw a finished wall. And I know sometimes we may have distractions. They may come while we are rebuilding this wall. So I want you to know that when the distractions come, that we're going to go back to the goals or the things that we have written down, so we'll be able to focus on those things and we'll be able to continue to run with it. If I don't do a video, I will either put it on a post or visual for us to see for the next 52 days what we can do daily to those things that may have been shattered in our lives to help us to rebuild those things. So the first thing that I want you to do is write the vision and make it plain. I know again what you, first of all, I want you to write down what has actually shattered in your life. And then after you write those what has shattered in your life, I want you to write down what you want to see come out of what has been shattered, what you want to see complete, what you want to see finished, what you want to see done from that particular situation, because we want to make it better. We want to repair it because God, he is a repairer of the breach. He knows how to restore. He is a healer of the broken heart. So we want to restore some relationships. We want to restore our career. We want to rebuild our health. Whatever it is that you want to do for the next 52 days, I want you to write the vision and make it plain. So in the meantime and until next time, remember that you are loved, you are amazing, and you know what? You are simply the best. And no matter what scars you have, continue to write your vision, make it plain so those that may see it may run with it. But God, remember that he is a healer, he is a restorer, and he will restore what has been taken from us. So in the meantime and until next time, again, remember that you are loved, you are amazing, and you are simply the best. And I'll talk to you soon. And again, welcome to November.